Hey loves, welcome back to my channel. Today I bring you this very simple yet elegant holiday look. I love the way it turned out, you guys. I am using my Bulgaria number 4 Klinsky brush and my Glitterbels odorless monomer that is activated by LED lamp. All the products that I use in this video will be listed down below in the description box unless I mixed it myself. But I will try to tell you guys how I got the beautiful acrylic glitter mix that I did in this video. All I did was add some white acrylic from Enail and a crystal clear acrylic from me in Secret. You can use whatever brand you have, doesn't necessarily have to be this brand. And then after that I added some beautiful iridescent glitter, and voila, I got this beautiful acrylic mix. I really love the way it turned out. It reminds me of snow. It definitely reminds me whenever I was back in Wyoming. It just snows over there all the time. But you guys, I hope you guys do enjoy this video, and if you do, make sure you guys like, share, and subscribe for more videos like this. And if you do subscribe, make sure you guys hit that little bell to get notified whenever I do upload new videos. See you guys until next time. Bye.